Hey, what's going on, guys? This is TaibaHasTheKicks.com, and obviously today's a Sunday. I just came back from church worshiping the Lord, and last week I was approached by a company named Draco, and they sent me a goodie bag with a bunch of stuff in it that I think is amazing, and I just kind of wanted to do a quick close-up look at what they gave me. All right, so in the bag I had 4 pair of socks, and I just love how they package this stuff. Packaging is incredible. I love how they put this in the bag. It makes it look like luxurious, so I like that. So they sent me 4 pair of socks, and I also have these slides, which I'm gonna get into in a little bit, and then 2 pair of shorts. Okay, bandana shorts, black one, and a white one. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get into the details of every single thing that I got, and then we're gonna wrap this up. All right, so I'm gonna start with the slides. Absolutely love the slides. They're built with some kind of a fabric here. It looks really soft when you put your hand on it. It's very soft, and it's adjustable, so you can put the clip off and adjust these, so you can adjust them. These are pretty much all weather. They are waterproof, so that means if it's raining, you can wear these. It's not gonna hurt. It's not gonna get it's not gonna ruin it. And now, let me take out the insoles. I love the velvet material. This is so plush. These are absolutely premium. I love it. And again, I have Draco logo here. This is so plush. The fabric is so plush, and it's really comfortable. I put them on earlier today, and they felt really good. Now this is slip resistant, so that means you're not gonna slip. It's really like the threads are pretty good. So if it's raining, slippery, snow, you wear this, you're not gonna slip pretty much. So I love the pattern. Again, I like the bandana pattern on it. I like that. Now the only thing that I kind of didn't like that much is the skeleton. You know, there's a skeleton somewhere here. I didn't like that with the guns on it. I'm not really fond of that. But other than that, everything else looks incredible. I like the straps. So this is adjustable. Like I said, you can Velcro it, you can remove it, adjust it to your foot. So if you have a wide foot, you can stretch it a little more so you can wear them. All right. But I really love the velvet material inside. This is really cool. So that's the slides. And then the next thing I want to talk about is those shorts. So again, bandana shorts, white and black. This pattern is a white and black pattern. I really like the shorts. They are elastic and they are stretchy. So they are stretchy. The fabric is pretty stretchy. Some kind of synthetic material, but it's really stretchy. And I like the laces in it. You know, like you can tell they really put a time into getting like some quality stuff. And he has the Draco logo on it as well. Okay. These are a size extra large, so I can't fit this. Unfortunately, I'm too big for it, so I'm gonna give it to my son, so they're gonna try it on and you're gonna say it. So these are like in now. I guess a lot of kids like this kind of short. I'm old school, so I like my stuff to go down my knees. All right, and then I have the black one as well. So yeah, we have the black one. I actually like the black ones simply because I know that with the white one you have to be more delicate. So me, I'm more of a black type of color person. So again, this is stretchy. You have the band here, elastic, adjustable, size extra large. And then the last thing I want to discuss is the socks. I really like how they did this with the socks. They put them in the bag, so you pretty much have like a premium pair of socks. So these are the black one, the short socks, Draco on it, Draco logo. So I think this is size 6 through 12. If you wear size 6 through 12, you can fit these. Also have these here. Let me get these out. I get 2 pairs of, oh, I actually like them. These are longer socks, a little bit mid-size socks. Draco again, Draco, okay? So these are black ones longer, and then we have the white ones. Let me get the white ones as well. Put them out of the bags real quick, and I'll show it to you. So it's the same style, okay? White and black Draco. Again, this is a package. It came as a package. They are pretty stretchy, and they are quality, high quality. They're not like cheapish. Look at that. Like this is good quality stuff. And the last one is this one here. It's a black one, of course. You can tell. A white one, I mean. Longer, same mid-size socks. Incredible stuff. So my favorite again is the slides. I just love the plush velvet material in it. Okay. I try it on. I'm gonna try it on now real quick in front of you so you can see how they look on my feet. So let's do that now. So I just put them on. Man, these are actually really nice, man. I actually like these. I was go next to my dog. I'm on my deck right now. So again, these are pretty cool, pretty comfortable. It doesn't hurt my foot, so I might wear these to school someday to see. These are pretty much summer / winter / any time of the year shoes you can wear. Nice slides, all right? So now I'm gonna have my boys try their shorts. We're gonna see what it looks like on them. And 3, so I got my 2 boys wearing their shorts. How do y'all feel about it?
Good.
So
Comfortable.
stretchy.
Yeah.
And they got the socks on too. So one of them got the white one and the other one has the black one. They're a little ankle high. So I mean, I like the short. Turn around, can I see you? Turn around real quick. All right, see them shorts? Well, I appreciate you guys. So again, you want to check this out, go on Draco Slides or dracoslides.com. I'm going to give you the website. Check the link. All right. Thanks again for watching. This is Ty from Master Kicks, and stay tuned for more stuff. Hey guys, I forgot to mention one essentials component. There's a deep zipper pocket right here on the side here. Both sides have this deep zipper pocket, so it goes really deep, man. So I just wanted to mention that before I shut this out. All right, again, thanks for watching. This is Ty from Master Kicks. dracoslides.com.